Good morning and welcome to today's video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Thank you all so much for watching. Today's first video is going to be part one of my foundation collection, and in this foundation collection we're going to be speaking on the founding fathers of America and why we are safe in the land of the free. Why are we safe in the land of the free today? Well, we'll be reading about the creators of the American rocks and the American fields in a few moments. However, let's begin with reading and discussing how many founding fathers of America there are in the form of, makeup. So let's get to it. First one that we have is this. This is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Nude 1% Pure Hyaluronic Acid, and I'm in the shade 8.5 to 9.5. So that's that one. The next founding father can be found in the name of e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter Glow Booster, and this is in the shade, I have more than one shade in this range. I have 3 other shades that I match with very well. This is shade 8 Rich. This is shade 8 Rich. By the way, if you hear your name being called, you're invited to sit on this chair based off of the amounts of founding fathers that you are that do believe in reincarnation, along with myself, in order to continue the, Americas that you founded. This one is Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation, and this is Undertone Nutmeg. The shade is DN4. The next one that we have is this one. This is not the Natasha Denona, but I have confirmed the Natasha Denona does exist, and it does exist in the Europe playing fields, and it will be making its way to the Americas very, very soon. This is just our version of the Natasha Denona until Natasha Denona gets to Canada. This is the Maybelline Superstay 30 Hour Lumi Matte Foundation in the shade 340. The next founding father that we are getting to is the Rimmel London Multitasker Better Than Filters. It's a primer, but I wear it as a foundation or as a concealer. This one is in the shade 007 Deep. The next founding father can be found registered under this product, the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 362 Truffle. And I'm guessing by that each of the founding fathers discussed can be found on the pages of the books based off of the numbers. You'll find out which book I speak of very, very shortly. And then we have this founding father, and this is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter Glow Booster for Radiant Skin. And this one is the second one that I have, and this is shade 7 Deep. Shade 7 Deep. And all of these founding fathers are from part 1, which is Spain. Now, we know that there's 2 forms of Spain, and there is a Spain that has the country of Nicaragua, and there's the Spain that formed with South Africa that has the country of Nicaragua. However, these gentlemen, the reason why they have really brown skin that looks like me, in how I wrote the song, brown skin girl, your skin look like pearl, the best thing in the world. I never trade you for anybody else. They are from Spain, Nicaragua. Spain, Nicaragua. Spain, Nicaragua is for the Spaniards and the Indies. If you've been studying geography with me, you know we would be getting to this part very soon. Stay tuned for part 2 of the Foundation collection, which is from Spain, which is the Indie of Nicaragua. Let's get to the reading. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!